Signing documents with signature is quick and easy. With the ability to auto-sign documents, it just became even easier. Save your signature to your account, and any templates or documents sent to you will automatically be signed, as long as there are no other fields in the document that require your manual input. Here are some key steps you should perform when saving your signature. From your dashboard, navigate to the left navigation bar and click on your profile icon. On the pop-up, click Settings. From there, navigate up to AutoSign. You'll immediately be taken to the Add Your Signature model. The Add Your Signature model provides 3 different methods for saving your signature to your account. You can draw your signature, type in your signature, or you can even upload a saved image file of your signature. To draw your signature, click in the signature field with your mouse or trackpad. Then move your cursor around as if you were signing your name with a pen. To type your signature, click in the signature field, then type in your name or alias that you would normally use when signing your name. Once entered, you may click on the font selector to change the font that is used for your signature. To upload a saved image of your signature, click the Add Photo button and then select the image file on your computer that will be used for your signature. This is an example of how a photo image of your signature might appear. When you are finished editing your signature in this step, it's time to save your signature. Click on the Save button to exit the model and save your signature. With your signature saved, you will no longer need to sign any documents where you are a signer, unless there are other fields that require your manual input. Once the template or document has been sent from your account, the inbox activity log will automatically show you as having signed. Additionally, you will not receive a signature request email. You will only receive activity notifications based on your settings on the preference page. And that's it. Setting up your AutoSign is just one of the many exciting features with Signature.